Hello and welcome. Let's learn about the zero conditional sentence. We use the zero conditional for situations that are always true, like facts, rules, or habit. This is the structure of the zero conditional. It usually starts with if, but sometimes it starts with when. Note that both parts of the sentence, the condition and the result, use the present simple tense because the result always happens. Think of a situation where you routinely take a bus that is running on a schedule, but you wake up late. What will be the outcome? Well, you're going to miss the bus. This is a real situation that happens. So the sentence, if I wake up late, I miss the bus, is in the zero conditional, and the verb in the if clause, it's in the simple present tense. Same as the verb in the main clause, miss is in the simple present tense. So this is an example of a zero conditional sentence. Here is another example. The zero conditional can also be used with when. You can say, when I wake up in the morning, I lay my bed. The present simple tense in the condition clause is wake, and the present simple tense in the result clause is lay. You can switch up the clauses and say, I lay my bed when I wake up in the morning. You don't need a comma when you write it like this. Here are more examples. When you state facts, like if you heat water to 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. If you mix red and blue paint, you get purple. If metal gets hot, it expands. Now pause the video and create your own example and share in the comments. Think of a condition that always has the same result and use the zero conditional structure to write it in the comment. I'll let you know how you did. Another activity for you, rewrite this sentence with the main clause first. So you have to switch up the clauses and write the result clause first. If you heat water to 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. Switch up the clauses and come up with another sentence without the comma. If I wake up late, I miss the bus. Same here, rewrite this sentence with the result first. If you mix red and blue paint, you get purple. Rewrite the sentence. Our next lesson will be on the first conditional. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, practice in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and share the video if you found it helpful.